tell by the words I wrote that I wasn't right, no, not with you. Struggling through this whole life, I wasn't ready, wasn't whole. I'd rise up, then I'd sink down like a boat lost in the storm. If you only knew what's in my soul, between the pain and the regret, it just went down that way. But don't you say it's nothing. Sometimes I feel so tired, and I just can't stop. I pull this card and go, come on now, keep the faith. Will it have meant something, all this pain?